this video, I'm going to teach you some ways of using the macros quicker. Earlier, we looked at the long way of going to view macros, and then we could run it from here. However, sometimes this defeats the purpose, especially if it takes longer. We can do it in an easier way by assigning a keyboard shortcut to the macro or by adding it to our quick access toolbar. So for that, we'll go right here to the quick access toolbar. We'll go to more commands. Once we're over here, we're going to go to macros, and notice I can see Heidi macro. I'm going to click on that, add it right here, and then I'm going to go to modify. I can change its name to Heidi macro since this is easier to remember, and I can pick any symbol that I want. I'm going to go ahead and choose this little circular chart. I'll click OK right here. OK, and notice that it appears right here. This is a shortcut, and when I put my cursor on it, I can see Heidi's macro appearing on it, which is the name that we selected. I'll go ahead and click it and see what happens. And it worked. So the macro runs right from here, from the shortcut. And this comes in really handy. Now let's go back to how the document was when we started. And I'm going to show you the other way of adding a shortcut to the keyboard. So we're going to go ahead and go to Customize Access Toolbar, More Commands, Customize Ribbon, and then keyboard shortcuts right here at the bottom. Click on Customize. Then you see a list of categories over here. You're going to scroll all the way down, choose macros. Heidi's macro is already selected for us, and that's the macro that we've been working on. And over here you can add a keyboard shortcut, but it has to be something that has not been assigned yet. So for example, if I click on Control B right now, it says currently assigned to bold. That means I can't use it as my shortcut keyboard, my shortcut keystroke. So what I'm going to do right here is I'll select Alt SR, and it says currently assigned to unassigned. That means it's not been assigned yet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Assign, and it's been added for Heidi's macro right here. And then we're going to go ahead and click Close, click OK, and then if I go ahead and do Alt SR on my keyboard, the macro is implemented. So this is one quick way of using macros, by adding it to our quick access toolbar or by assigning a shortcut. In our case, we did Alt AR. You can assign any shortcut that you feel is good for you to remember.